here. Thank you so much to our dear friend, Santa Claus. So after the photo, I just have one tiny request. In a bit, we're just gonna have a video. But as of now, quick photo. Photo first. Smile, kids. Smile. Look at the camera and smile.
Daming tao sa SM.
With the backdrop of our gorgeous.
Labas na ako ng SM Mall. Ganda ng Christmas decor nila. Dito sa labas, ang ganda. Sa labas.
Pasilos.
Diba? So, malabas na tayo ng daming tao sa mall. Yan. Bye!